Hello, I'm back. Hello, is anybody watching? Say hi. There was one Prahar Kakani. I believe before power went off, he said hi. I don't know whether he's there. Good afternoon, Giridhar. Unfortunately, I had a big major power failure, so I got disconnected. Now I am again back in live. I'm not sure whether people get the notification or not. They should be. Hopefully, they will be coming back. This trade, was a. I think it went up to 416 or something. Let me see. The peak was 413. Now again, as long as it stays above 347, it will continue to go up. Why no strangle table? Because last week I didn't put anything, no Giridhar. Last Thursday I was absent. Friday it was holiday. Usually Fridays only we will make. But unfortunately Thursday, since I was not there, I didn't put. I did say in the morning Nifty is in a mood for a powerful short covering. Let us see how long this will go up. It can go up to 23,000 in my view. So whether it goes there or not, either today or tomorrow it will definitely. Because 23,000 has a huge call rating. If they are taken to task, then another 300-400 points will get added by tomorrow evening. They are already must be under scare. Okay, so let us check that. Why there is no changes coming? This is Nifty only, no? India weeks. So why? They have changed the style, is it? So yeah, they have made it here. Okay. So they are still writing 23,000 call. So they are writing call, and now 22,900 call also they have started writing. So 22,900 may be a small hurdle, and Nifty has to cross that, I think. don't think, because the Asian market was good. There is some bank nifty was powerful. So there was a view that bank nifty will turn around, not only because of HDFC Bank, but even otherwise there was some good monthly accumulated numbers came, like CASA ratio and all that, loan this thing. So what is actually happening is bank nifty is powering the initially powered, and then there was almost short covering because Asian market was good, and we are the one of the most oversold market currently. So now it is trying to stay above this 833. Okay. So that was at that point in APML. Okay. Let us see whether where is it now. Today Nifty must close above. As long as it closes above 22,675. Today, if Nifty closes, let us make it as a normal candle and then see. So as it's now, as long as Nifty stays above 624, there is every possibility Nifty will go towards 23,201 tomorrow. So from there, whether from CPR, whether it will reverse or it will cross and go, we don't know. And even in day chart, this entire momentum is really strong and trending. 41%, 30% bullish. RSI is the only one. Maybe it is because of overbought status. Okay. If this goes below 357, then that option also will start losing value. It should reverse from this point of 833. Let us see. If this goes below 350, what was the number I said? 357. If it goes below 357, this is gone. Now for immediate target should be the day high. Okay, now if Nifty crosses day high, which is at 22,900 exactly, okay, just wait for it. Once it crosses 22,900, let me provide. So the first target for this will be 413. Okay, then will be 448. Dead stop loss is 326. $149. Okay, maybe one swing downwards towards yellow line can come, because Nifty has ran up so much. There is a possibility that it can come down up to this point, to yellow line, and take support from there. But if it turns around here itself, then 900, it will next jump. Next, once it starts making green candle, it will cross 22,900. Let us check what is the US futures. US future is just flat, 12 points up or 20 points up, like that. That's all. And but the European futures are really down. That is slightly worrying. European futures are no, German is 170 points, but FTSE UK is up. Sorry, mixed signal only. So maybe let me check. Maybe the US futures have turned around during the day. That is why our market also has gone up. Yeah, I think in the morning when we started today, it was almost 300 points down, and it has seems to have recovered now, and it has come to positive. And actually, our chart is very clearly reflecting that only. Very similar to what was there in US charts. It is halting at Balarsha station. Let us see whether it crosses the Balarsha station. Moves towards 900 again, and exactly 900 is the top now. If that is taken out before 2 o'clock, then we may last 1.5 hour, we may have further short covering towards 23,000. Market definitely is in a mood to go up. Whether alignment is there or not, all that if we keep forget, it is in a mood to go up. We will see what will happen at 2 o'clock to 2:30. There again all adjustments can take place because of positioning for tomorrow. The option writers will play their game between now and 3 o'clock. So be careful and watchful with your positions. The next attempt it should try to cross 900. If Nifty doesn't cross 900, no, there can be one drop down towards yellow line. Actually, it is still struggling at this point. Let us see. There is enough call rating at 22,900 as well as 23,000. If market is in the mood to punish call writers, it will do so even in from 3 o'clock to 3:30 also. It is trying to cross 900. That's good. I think all of your portfolios go and look. It will be really green. Top 200 as well as mid cap is really up today. Yeah, 22,900 will be challenging. No, live trading. That is because you can see they have started writing 22,900 call. Okay, so it is going there and getting rejected, because once it crosses this, no, this 23,000 call raters will be tested severely today. And what, in the fear that there will be, let us assume, okay, hypothetically I am speaking, now currently Nifty is at 22,880-900, correct? Even if it closes at 940, 950, no, today evening itself these call raters will run for money, run for cover. The reason is tomorrow there can be a gap up of 50 points, 60 points, that will be above, and 22,900 must be what? I think it is now 140, 130. Okay, and if it starts off green tomorrow, then it will very quickly move towards 23,200. So, and all this call rater will get into problem. That is why 22,900 is itself is getting defended. Let us see. I have a feeling that 23,000 will come today, but I can always be wrong, and I reserve my right to be wrong, correct? Let us try to look at it from a slightly different angle. Okay, what I am trying to do is from yesterday's low. Okay, let us look at a 1 hour chart. So this was yesterday's low, that is at second. Yesterday means I am talking 22,184, and actually it started to turn around here at 22,228, and then in between there were a couple of hours of negative today, and it is going really strong. And this high of 1st April, that is at 22,945, that can be a small resistance, okay, because that is the last swing high, if you see, because if that is taken out, then R1 will come into picture, and this peak will come into picture, that is 23,467. So there is a big run. So this is at let me mark this line. I am expecting a one drop down towards yellow line, and then again a reversal. Okay. Good that the yellow line is also coming up. So yes, but see, let the see it is 27 points only up. Now 68 points. So even US futures is climbing. That is good. That is really good. If today US futures closes at a kind of in a good 200 300 points up, no, tomorrow there will be a gap up despite last 2 days of last day yesterday, I mean 2nd April recovery, as well as today's positive finish, no, there will be a gap up tomorrow, because our market is so much is down and so much oversold and so much fear factor. Fear factor means, let us check VIX compared to morning, there is a small cool down. If this crosses 413, no, 448 will come very quickly. Just believe me, once it crosses 413, 448 will come very quickly. Nifty is trying to cross the day high now. It has crossed. It has crossed. So it has made a fresh high. Now it has to sustain above 900. Then 942 will be the small hurdle. If 942 is taken out by 230 or 245, last 1 hour can be further short covering. And then Nifty may even close above 23,000. Sir, change the strike. It's a very deep ITM now. No, because I kept it, I don't know, because there was a power break and I got lost, correct? I don't know how many people are still carrying. That is the reason I kept that. We can always change. I can always change. Just give me a couple of minutes. I will look into. See, on other thing, no, live trading. This is only representative, correct? As long as it is above, and and you can play within R1 and R2, and I keep changing this weak point, correct? So this is only telling you which side is still stronger. That's it. See, the whole idea is to tell you can play call side. That's it. Okay. 942. We have to look for 942. This is. See, everything will be above pivot. That is the problem. Now, okay. Now those who want to enter, okay, let us assume you are saying you have to give, you can give one something else. But that will be between, not between pivot and R1, it will be between R1 and R2. That's the only difference, that's all. The system will take R1 as the this thing. Okay. Okay. Look out for this 42. Okay, that is 942. Once this crosses this line, uh, just now we saw, then next is only about 23,000. And don't look for a short trade and all. Now that market has gone up, it will come down. Let the market tell us, let the charts tell us, then take a position. Even though I have drawn a line, I just saying that that is one small resistance, because that line, if it is taken out, definitely 23,200 is coming either today or tomorrow. That is only the meaning of it, not that market will turn around from there. Okay, and don't rush into any short, because number one, it is making clean green candles now and then, even though there are multiple dojis in between. It is above yellow line, and the top 10 shares is now almost 50%. Okay, and it is showing more strength to go up rather than to come down. In between, it may have couple of red candles like this. That's all as of now. Fundamentally, above our magic line, no short. Whatever happens, don't try to think we can preempt and all that. That won't work out. It is above Vijayawada station. Let us assume it stays above Vijayawada station, then it will run towards Nagpur. See the amount of time it is spending between 18 and 22. Now 2:30, last 1 hour. Whether market is turning around, whether it's going to go down or go up, we will know. So be caution at this time. Okay, if the second, if it goes below yellow line, close all your long position. Again, take it only if the Nifty comes up above yellow line. Okay, given that 2 days of recovery of 800 points, we don't know how the game will be played. As long as it is above our yellow line, magic line, keep your long positions. The second it starts to go down, immediately either start trailing it closely or close and wait for the price to again come back. Okay. In my view, last 1 hour can be further short covering can come, but I am not a god to predict all that. Okay, so it's only, see, now they have started writing more put of 22,900. It means market is going to close above 22,900 today. Last 1 hour, see, last 1 hour they have written 22 lakhs put against 17 lakhs call. Okay, the thing is, there are both intraday and theta decay players and more, and also for tomorrow's expiry players. So you can't exactly predict, but it's only we can make a educated guess. I think at some point we will see this green bar going above this. Then after that, it is for sure tomorrow 23,000 will come. Now 942 should be taken out. Once that is taken out, 23,000 will come quickly. Nifty is aiming for 23,000 in my view. Let us see whether the next candle is a clean green candle or not. If that is also a doji, then it will cry and go. Ideally, next candle should be a clean green candle. Then Nifty will gain again momentum on the upside. It's not making a clean green candle. It is again trying to make only a doji. The day high is 29.70. Again taken out. It did cross that line, I think. No, it went exactly there and it is returning. 42.10 and currently it went to 40.70 and came down. Exactly went to 40.70 and then coming down. Let's see. We have got still another 4 plus 6, 10 candles to go. If it stays above that line, no, today itself 23,000 will come. Yeah, it won't. All the adjustment will come today now only. No, see. Deeply in the money, there will definitely less movement because squaring off will be done as every time the operators will close their position every time Nifty comes down, and they will be gobbling it up and stop loss hunting and all that. So only thing is out of money, those risky hero zeros will move fast, but it will fluctuate both sides. I have been watching this 23,100 from 67 rupees. Okay, somebody called during this thing. Sir, what happened, etc. and all. In fact, I gave this call saying that it is 23,100 is around 65 rupees. It can go up to 130, 140 if Nifty is attempting to 23,000 today. Currently, it is at 111 rupees. I don't know whether the person took it or not. This candle will tell you whether market is going to stay below 942 or not. Okay, so now that you have asked, let me put that. There you go. You are right. It is 23,000. Future is at 23,000. So there is buying going on. Yeah. See, after a long time, from 2nd of April, bulls have got some hold on the market. I don't think they will leave it out so easily. So, unless and until some news comes which is no really bad and makes the market down, I strongly think there will be good up move. So easily bulls won't give it up. After a long time, Bank Nifty moved. Okay, Bank Nifty is up now because of HDFC Bank only, 868 points. See, Nifty is just 0.9% up, but Bank Nifty is 1.7% up, almost double. Okay, that is because the private banks were really hammered, and they all have given this quarter CASA ratio, deposit, collection, as well as loan growth and all, more than expected. So, and HDFC Bank was kind of got hammered because of the chairman's issue. There is every possibility HDFC Bank, let me check, okay, while you people are watching, let me see where the struggle for HDFC Bank will come. Give me a couple of minutes. Where is it, HDFC Bank here? So this is day chart. For this is Larsen and Toubro, sorry. It has turned around, and if it closes above S1, that is 785. I don't know, it may not be today, it may be tomorrow. See, despite Reliance losing 3.47%, today market is going up. And 768 now, and means 785. I don't know whether tomorrow, if it crosses this, then the stop only will come at 826. So that is another 15 plus 27, 42 points on this thing. Okay, so that can even propel the market even more. Say it should cross 2350 or 2360 live trading, then we can say Nifty is firmly above that. No, the future is firmly above 23,000. So these 23,005, 10 and all, in one swing down suddenly 50 points will vanish. So I think let it cross 942, then you will see even Nifty future is also jumping. So US futures is only 84 points up, and European market, is it closed? I'm not seeing any change. I don't know. Is there any reason why European market is closed today? So much so that Nifty is struggling to stay above 920. You can see that. That is why I keep repeating this 20, 50, 80, correct? It is struggling to stay above the 20. It went briefly up and then again come down. Goes up, comes down. Goes up, comes down. Nowadays, the operators index management is done by supercomputers. So you can't manage that. It will look into which share is weak, where index can be broken down, which is weak, and by selling how much quantity, what will be the index drop. All that will get calculated in seconds, and then orders are getting placed. First thing I think NSE needs to do is to expand this number of shares of only 50. Make it such a huge one so that the market cap of NSE 50 will go up substantially. And for somebody to even play, you would need lakhs of, thousands and thousands of crores. Now people with 1 billion or 1.5 billion is able to shake the market, like this Jane Street and Millennium company and all that. They all have invested 2 billion and then they are playing havoc with our market. 3 o'clock move. We don't know where the 3 o'clock move will be. There you go. It is going below yellow line, so careful. Don't carry this thing unless or without any stop losses. If this is a one candle phenomena like this, no two candle and one candle, then the next candle should take it up. Nifty is just above and below. It is playing. You can see it here in the right side column whether Nifty is above yellow line or below yellow line. There, it's pulling up again. Good that it is pulling up. Maybe this is the last stop loss hunting candle. At 3 o'clock, I think market may go up. But if it may starts making a candle below yellow line, get off from all your long positions, and you can always come back tomorrow and take positions. It is below yellow line now, above, below. It is dancing. It is exactly at yellow line, huh? Good. I was a bit worried. It was starting at yellow line and immediately it jumped up. Three sim also. Let us wait. Let us wait. Like trading, it doesn't matter. Even if it doesn't know, see, market has picked up from 22,200 to 900 in 2 sessions. Correct, 700 points. So it has to take some breather somewhere. Okay. Still, and the market, another 6 candles to go. So we can't say where it will. See there. See that jump. See that jump. Once it crosses 34, see 280 is also come. Let it stay about. Again, call side will become stronger as long as it is above 942. Somehow I said no. I have a feeling that they want to end at 23,000 today. Okay. So next 6 candles, I won't be surprised if it touches once 23,000 and maybe close anywhere in between. Correct. 68 now. 68 now. See now, in my view, why I was kept repeating no that no there can be a spike. Nifty will catch up. Bank Nifty is this thing. See, Bank Nifty outperformed. Now Nifty will catch up. The short covering will come in waves. Remember, it will come only in waves. Next candle, ideally it should start above 42. That will be really nice. That will be good for the market. See, this 280 and our entry point pivot was synchronized to this point 942. That is why no, when it gave exactly at that point. Okay. let us see whether it touches 23,000 or not is the only thing. In my view it should, but around 80 it may go, that is 22,980, and then it can slowly reverse. Now the question in your mind will be whether to carry forward any position or not. Okay, since market is based on news, it is always not advisable to carry forward. If at all you are carrying forward, which one to do will be the question. My view will be that no, somebody puts a gun on your head, I think only call can be carried forward. I think there seem to be some momentum shift. Okay, now irrespective how many planes Iran strikes down or this thing, crude is not moving much. Okay, crude is not moving. So now people have already, I think crude got already priced out, and it is priced out to fall now. Meaning that if some good news comes immediately from 109, the Brent crude can come down to 103.90 like that in one day, in a few minutes. Last time it fell 10% in exactly 5 minutes candle. Okay, when that Donald Duck gave a I am withdrawing kind of some nonsense tweet. So there is a possibility. But having said all this, let us assume if US suddenly decides, say no, we are going to have a ground force and all that, then things can change. I strongly suggest is that we can always come back and see how the market is going to be and take positions there. I wouldn't like to carry forward. Of course, those who are straight coming from Las Vegas, they can. And if at all you are really want to bet something like that and all, you should try 23,200 or 300, because let us assume overnight there is some good news. But the biggest issue is currently the premiums are very expensive. Okay, for example, let us check this itself. 22,800 call is quoting at 290. So what it is saying is tomorrow Nifty will close at 23,090. Okay, above 23,090 only, if at all you are buying now, you will make some money. And people are buying, that means they are already thinking another 150 points by tomorrow evening Nifty will cross. There is every possibility, given that from the low it has come. So it is expensive. So let us assume it starts flat tomorrow and we end up today at 950 or 960, and tomorrow it starts flat at the same that 950. This 290 will come crashing down to 180 within no minutes. That is the risk you carry. If there is a gap up, your calls will definitely at least stay put and you may not lose much. But you carry forward a call today and Nifty opens with say 10 or 20 points only gap up, or even 20 points below, your entire premium will crash. So I won't suggest you to carry forward, but I leave it to all individual choices who wants to play this thing. Anyway, it is trying to cross 23,000. You can very clearly see. That is what I said today. Nifty will touch 23,000. It is happening. But only thing is, out of money are not moving so much. Okay. I am watching only this 23,100 and 23,200 calls. They are not moving very fast, even though Nifty is approaching 23,000. So there is some upside limit is there. There you go. In another few points, 23,000 will come, and the future is now 81 points only. Okay, same 81, 90 points. If it has bloated to another 30-40 points, say if it has gone up by, because from 23,000 the premium is staying put at 80 points. It should have gone up by 110 or 120. Then we can expect a gap up tomorrow. I am expecting a flat opening and then a jump tomorrow. So maybe another one candle, after one candle I will tell you. At this point it doesn't look like that we are going to have a gap up tomorrow. See, again, these are all my views and I can always be wrong. Why I am watching 23, 100 and 200, can anybody say? Why am I watching 23,100 and 200, and based on that I am drawing some conclusions. I'm sorry, Ajay. I came back 2 o'clock. I thought somebody, whoever was there, will be there. Tomorrow, let us make it. Or if you want, no, let me. Since now you have asked, let me ask. Is Praveen Sridharan there? And Vinay Pankaj, Praveen Sridharan, Ajay, you are there. If Vinay Pankaj is also there, then we can have the session even today. Oh, okay. But live trading, I just now asked, that is why you saying, but I asked the question, why am I watching 23,100, 23,200 calls? Let us assume you have written 23,100 and 23,200 call. Okay. In last 15 minutes, if you are getting scared, you will be covering it up, correct? Then those premiums will shoot up. It is not shooting up. If you are expecting a gap up tomorrow, you are already in the loss today, because I don't know where you would have sold, no, this 23,100, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, out of money and all, people sell only at that price. Correct? Last 15 minutes, if you are expecting a gap up of 100 points or 200 points, you will be scared hell, correct? Then what you will try to do is, you will try to buy and close all your open positions. So 23,100 and 23,200 should have gone up in last 10-15 minutes. It should have gone up substantially, because they are all scared. But it is not seems to be the case. It is still from 110, despite Nifty went 60 points, it has gone up just 10 rupees from 114 to 125. That is 23,100. That is one of the reason I am concluding, but I may be wrong, but I am concluding that from that angle. If you are expecting live trading, if you are expecting 1,000 points gap up, no ceasefire, etc., then what we should do is, if you want to let us throw some money, means we should, 23,400 is 41 rupees. Let us see, 23,500. If at all you want to do that, then you can carry for, that is 26 rupees. If it is 1,000 point plus gap up, this 26 rupees will be 300 rupees. We can buy that. Correct? And if there is a bad news, what will happen? Anyway, let me see, another 2 candles only. The 23,100 call writers and all are not scaring away at all. Okay. They are very much enjoying and stay put. In fact, they have changed, they have written more calls at 23,100 than put. Almost 8 lakhs fresh calls have been written at 100 rupees. Anyway, 23,200 there is 31 lakhs has been written during the day compared to 4 lakhs of put. So this is not giving a very big confidence that there will be a gap up. Of course, they all will get hit. And they are writing 26 lakhs, 23,000 they are writing more put now. This is for the day, no? Correct. Okay. There is a possibility, live trading, whatever you are saying. $1,800 loss will happen if flat. Yes, you are correct, Ajay. I'll be back in a minute. Hemant Sharma, I spoke so much about BTST. Where were you? For 15 minutes I spoke. Why, what, etc. Why should I take? If somebody puts a gun, all that I spoke. Now you are asking me to repeat. I just now said, in fact, I also explained my rationale why I won't carry forward also. So, I won't, because simple reason, 23,100 and 200 calls are not really jumping up. Okay, people should have got scared and they should have been closing. We should have raised those calls. So I am not seeing that happening. Of course, I can be wrong. Tomorrow there can be a 200-point gap up, and the same 23,100 call which is at 121 may open at 240 also. It is luck, because it is based on this thing. Given the price action today and the volume on OA, etc., I am not seeing that anybody is getting scared on for tomorrow for a big gap up. 2 days of 800 points from the bottom rise also will hang on the back. So even if it is more flat, it starts flat, you will lose substantial premium decay will be at opening. You won't get exit at all. And top it all, the VIX is still at 25. Okay, VIX has also not collapsed. So sorry, I won't give. Okay. Hemant Sharma, are you new to this channel? And where are you from? And how long you have been trading? Just started. Where are you from and where are you, which part of India you are from? Sharma, UP, Delhi, हरियाणा. ओ हरियाणा में कहाँ सर? मैं वहाँ वो लिबर्टी का फैक्ट्री है ना, उसका जगह क्या है, उसका जगह भूल गया मैं. चंडीगढ़ और दिल्ली के बीच में लिबर्टी शूज़ का फैक्ट्री है, बड़ा फैक्ट्री. हाँ हाँ, मेरे को आई हैड कम दैट. हरियाणा में वहीं आया हूँ बस. उसका जगह मालूम नहीं है मेरे को, भूल गया जगह का नाम. और चंडीगढ़ से दिल्ली जाने के रास्ते पे पड़ता है. बवल. बवल तो नहीं लग रहा है, एक सेकंड देख लेते हैं. हमारा गूगल जी है ना. करनाल. करनाल. करनाल करनाल पे आया था सर, करनाल. उनका मेन फैक्ट्री है. वो मेन रोड पे ही है, वो हाईवे पे है, दिल्ली चंडीगढ़ हाईवे पे. And Delhi to Punjab. That is why I said no, Delhi to Chandigarh. तो आपने सब्सक्राइब कर दिया तो मैं आपका नाम लिख लेता हूँ. सेटअप है ये, आपको समझना पड़ेगा. वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द सेटअप देन ओनली इट विल बी. आपका नाम मैं क्या लिख लूँ? हेमंत लिख दूँ क्या? हेमंत शर्मा लिख दूँ? श्योर. कल 2 बजे. ठीक है, कल तो 2 बजे मेरे को करना ही है. Okay, I think that's it now. I think it didn't go to, it went to maximum, I think exactly 22,998. Okay, so we'll come back tomorrow. I hope people have already closed their positions. That would be my view. Anyway, so I can only suggest. And see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.